Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. It's Mother Eagle here. Oh, I wanted to thank all of you who are part of this Eagles coaching and mentorship group. For those of you who are new, the best place to start is the pinned post. It has a little summary about the group and some popular links that you can check, and you can also leave your questions below that post so we can be able to help you. Always feel free to ask questions, post your questions in there, and I thank all the other Eagles for helping in contributing to the answers. Well, as you've seen, the title of this video is are you stuck in a waiting loop? You know, I was thinking about what does it mean to wait, because there's never a perfect time to do things. There's always something that will interfere, that will force you to kind of either develop patience. But then there's a difference between developing patience and being in a waiting loop, whereby even the smallest things, for example, let's go to the movies. Okay, you have to wait. Let's do this. Oh, we have to wait. This is missing. Let's do every little thing having to have an element of waiting. There is a thin line between patience and having given away your power, waiting for everybody and everything else in order to get your actions done. So I request and encourage you to be more observant, whether the situation you're in is part of learning patience, or it's part of giving away your power and being in a waiting loop, because there are things you can't do without having to wait. For example, if you're inquiring about something from somebody, it can be easier to Google and find your answer rather than emailing someone and sit around and wait for 2-3 days before you get an answer, because sometimes we take the easy and lazy approach to things. You know, because the waiting loop is an energy. We are all operating in an energy, in a vibe, in a frequency of some sort. If the vibe around you is all about waiting, everything you do will have to wait. Everything we'll do will be for tomorrow, for next year, for next week. It will be this loop, and then you look back a year or two later and you realize you didn't take any steps to accomplish anything you want because you've been in a waiting loop. I'll give you an example. I have a friend, I haven't actually seen her in a while, but she loves to travel. And I remember when we were in college, she always told us, I love to travel and I'm not waiting for anybody. If you guys don't get your monies right and your time right, I'm gone. And for sure, she learned to travel by herself. She has traveled to so many countries around the world and she refused to wait, you know, and it's the same thing for us. So if there are things you want to do, instead of sitting around and waiting on others to be ready in order for you to get your thing done, you have to stop. It's okay. You can start alone and everybody will catch up with you. And some people may never catch up with you because it may, most likely it's not part of their priority. Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining. So the waiting loop, do your best to jump out of it. If you sense you have things that you keep waiting on others before you implement, well, start by yourself. There's no need to wait. We have to get things done, and start with small things. You know, you need to go shopping. You need to wait on everybody else. Well, if they are not ready, get on it. After a while, everybody around you will be trained and will know that you mean what you say, your word is full of integrity, and you get to do what you say you're going to do without having to wait around. All right? As always, this is Mother Eagle. I love you guys. Bye.